Hi, if you are having a Redmi mobile and facing a problem of shutting down automatically and saying that find device closed unexpectedly, there is a simple thing to do to clear this issue. This is happening in all Redmi mobiles and some Poco mobiles, including some other Chinese companies. Why this is happened? Because of a bug. First I will explain the problem. The problem is the screen will automatically closes off and it will say Redmi or Poco, the company name it will disclose. Again it will switch on, again it will switch off. That is a common bug. This is repeatedly happening in from last 2 to 3 months. This one is separate one. Okay, for previous things you have to uninstall launcher, then it will work. Similarly, this is a new bug and we cleared the problem. The problem is just to you have to uninstall one app, that I will tell you now. Try to uninstall Airtel Thanks app. Open your mobile, uninstall Airtel Thanks app. This problem is not for all mobiles. Why? Because those who are having Airtel Thanks app, because of a bug in their account, this is happening. But you are unable to uninstall that app also. Why? Because it's keep on switching on and switching off. So please be patient and try to uninstall one by one by checking one step by step. Okay, once you uninstall it will automatically clear. If not, you have to reboot your mobile. For rebooting you have to do long press, that I will explain here. The following option will be appear if you for rebooting. Once you long press reboot, wipe up data, connect to assistant, three options will become. Out of these three you have to select reboot, then the system will reboot. From then onwards it will automatically work. Don't try to go for again Redmi stores and all. No need to do anything, just do uninstall this app, that's it. Okay, you can read this one. You cannot touch the reboot options, need to select with the volume keys and power key is used to confirm the option. In some mobile phones problem is solving upon uninstalling Airtel Thanks app without selecting the reboot option. Okay, better even though you try to reboot. Thank you, thanks a lot.